Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add Telegram group links. Firstly, launch the Telegram app and sign in to your account. Tap the group you want to share and then tap the group name or profile picture at the top to open the group settings. Now tap the edit icon at the top right corner and then tap invite links to select them. You will now see your group's invite link. Tap share to send the link via WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And if you want to share it via QR code, tap the three-dot menu next to the link. Select Get QR Code and then tap Share QR Code. People now can share QR code to join groups instantly. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.